All right, and we're back. Okay, I am currently making this video while you guys are working on your warm-up, remember? So, anyway, let's talk to it. Number 23, plot each of the following and label with this letter if you can, then and list the quadrant. Okay, so -8, 2 is going to be right here. It's going to be kind of hard for me to apparently use my stylus at all, but label it. That's A. All right, and remember this is quadrant 1. This is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. All right, so that is in quadrant Q2. Okay. Next thing here, -4, 0. So -4, 0 is right there. That's B, and that is on the X axis. Doing my best. All right. Next one, I got 0, 7. So 0 up to 7 here, and that is C, and that is on the y-axis. All right. 5, -3 is right there. That is point D. That's Q4. -4, -3. Right there. That is point E. It's hard for me to write, like I said. That's Q1, 2, 3, quadrant 3. Wow. 9, 10 is all the way up here. That's point F, and that's in quadrant 1. 1, 0 is right there. That's G, and that is the X axis. 0, -2 is right there. That's point H, and that is the Y axis. All right. Remember, it's quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Here we go. Next one. Find the midpoint of the ordered pair. Show your work. Be sure to write it as an ordered pair. All right. So remember, midpoint is found by adding your x's and dividing by 2, x1 plus x2, and then adding y's, y1 plus y2, and dividing by 2. So x1 is 5. X2 is -3, and then y1 is 4, y2 is 10. So -3 or 5 plus -3 is 2 over 2. That's 4 plus 10 is 14 over 2. So my midpoint is 1, 7. All right. Try my best to make it as unsloppy as possible for you. All right, but 1, 7. 2 over 2 is 1. 14 divided by 2 is 7. But Linda baked 9 pies that weigh 20 1/4 pounds total. How much does 1 pie weigh? So this is 20.25 pounds. All right. If I want to do that, I would just realistically, like I can sit there and change it to an improper fraction, do 4 times 20 plus 1 to get 21 over 4. All right. Or I could just think about logically, if there's 20 pounds, I'm going to divide it by 9 and figure out how much is 1. So I'm going to do 20.25 divided by 9, and that's 2.25 lbs or pounds per pie. Sorry, I'm thinking pizza pie. LOL. Could be apple. I don't know. I just don't know. Okay, here we go. How do I know to do 20 divided by 9? All right, well, there's 9 and I only want 1. Okay, The following list contains the Iowa football team's scores in all games against Northern Illinois. Find the mean or average of these scores. So what I want to do to find the mean or average, I would add these all up. All right, so I'm just going to put a plus sign in between all of these, add them all up, and then divide by the number of scores that I have. All right, so I'm going to do 48 plus 57 plus 58 plus 54 plus 24 plus 24 plus 16 plus 18 plus 27 plus 33. I got 359. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's going to be 359 divided by 10, which is 35.9. Nicole scored a 10, a 5, a 9, and a 6. If she wants an average of 8 on her quizzes, what does she need to score on the next quiz to obtain this average? So I add these together. 10 plus 5 plus 9 plus 6 plus her fifth quiz is we don't know yet, so that's X, all divided by 5 because that's the number of quizzes we'll take. We want our score, whatever this, we want to get 8. We want my average, I want my mean to equal 8. So what I'll do, all right, I'll add these numbers across. So 10 plus 5 is 15. 9 plus 6 is also 15. So that's 30 plus X over 5 equals 8. And then I want to get rid of that 5. So I'll multiply both sides by 5 to get, I'll just keep that in red. 30 plus X equals 40 minus 30 minus 30. She needs a score of 10. All right, and that's it.